Hello and welcome to Imahlan channel. Today I wanna make a black homemade mask. This mask can draw out all of your blackheads from the pores of the skin. Add a tablespoon of cacao powder, coffee, gelatin powder, and half a tablespoon of honey into the pot. Set the heat on very low and slowly add the milk to your ingredients and stir your ingredients. Be wary, your liquid must not be concentrated or so diluted. You can test it to make sure it's not too hot. Apply a thick layer of the mask on a specific part of your face and allow it to dry. To dry faster, you can use a fan or hair dryer. After it's dried completely, you can remove the mask. If you like this tutorial, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Until the next time.